Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Here is my Thanksgiving look slash fall look using colors red, orange, and yellow. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. There will not be a voiceover in this video. I appreciate all the love and support. All products will be in the description box. If you have any questions, let me know. If you would like to do a makeup theme collab with me, let me know. Hope you guys are being safe out there. Happy holidays. I actually got this brow pencil in my It's Be Glam bag, and it's supposed to be from some influencer, but anyway, when I started using it to draw my brows, it broke. So I don't know how good it is, but it's a brow pencil, and then the other side, instead of it having a spoolie, it's like a makeup brush. I guess it's okay despite the fact that it broke. And I also going to be using a makeup palette that I got in my BoxyCharm box. But I'll post all the information in my description boxes. I don't remember her name at the top of my head.